Let's know how to use the MOV inching block through our Saksham library. First, drag the box from the toolbox, click on Input Assistant button, browse the library and select MOV inching to use it. Name the block as here it's MOV 102. Now drag an input pin and connect to IO ZSO and as browse the input for rack. And same follow for IO-TSC, IO-TSO, IO-Run-FB and IO-Trip-FB. Now drag the output pin and browse the output from rack for both final open command and final close command. After then connect the input pin from toolbox for permission open and permission close and interlock as per your logic. And then connect the input pin for the cycle time and browse from the advanced library. Compile it and click on login and run the block successfully. Now save the project